What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Iowa, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chicken and pepper sandwich. A chicken Philly cheese, if you will. Yes, sir, the Philly. And it's going to be fresher than the Fresh Prince. But we got to get it started and get it done. So come on, Uncle Phil, and let's have some fun. Damn right, buddy. A chicken Philly cheese. Now, some people will call this shit a chicken and roasted red pepper sandwich. Well, I ain't got no roasted red pepper today, but I've got some other shit. But we ain't getting there yet. We gotta start from the start. So, first thing we're gonna do is grab our chicken here. Now, I went ahead and got some chicken breasts. You know how I like them juicy breasts. The chicken breast, of course. Get your mind out of the gutter, boy. You as dirty as the underside of my 1999 Ford F-150. So, pop your chicken in the pan. And like I said, I got the breast today, but you can use thighs. You can use, the chicken breast tenders. Anything that's boneless, pretty much, be good for you. So, we've got our chicken in there. Now, we want to add some seasonings to the damn thing because we don't want it flavorless for it. We want some good. And speaking of which, excuse me. Just got off work and I'm extra thirsty tonight. So the first thing I think we'll add here is just a bit of lemon pepper, sir, and that's going to give it kind of a zest, if you will. So not a terrible whole bunch on there because we got some other stuff we want to add in here too. Next thing that we'll do is add a little regular old black pepper, just for flavor. Sprinkle. Now we're going to add just a little spice, if you will, and for that I'm going to add some Tony's Creole seasoning. This is good shit. Now you can put this on fairly thick if you want to. And last, we are going to use some garlic powder. And you're saying to yourself, Black Iowa, where's the salt? What happened to the salt? Well, I'm out of salt and I forgot salt, but this garlic salt will do just fine, trust me, baby. And you can pretty much use any seasoning that you want to anyway. Shit, I mean, get crazy with it. Have the old pollo loco. Do the funky chicken. So, we've got our chicken in here. Now let's go ahead and flip. Oh yeah! You can smell that flavor when you flip, baby. It kind of grabbed me by the boo-boo, it did. So, damn. Ew, I need a drink to wash it down. Now you're going to flip, season the other side. And you want to let these go for a little while. I would say anywhere between 15 and 35 minutes. Now, I don't want you to let these get all the way done because we still have to chop our vegetables up. And we can do that while this is cooking. We'll go ahead and chop all our vegetables. And then we'll come back, we'll pull these out. And I don't want them to be all the way done because we're going to have to put everything back in and mix together and saute. So, sir, meet me back here and we'll do a little rumba, you know what I'm talking about? We gonna mix it out on the dance floor, baby. Yeah! Alright, Pony Boy Curtis. Our chicken is done over here. And now when I said, you need to let the chicken get not all the way done, you need to get it pretty damn close because you don't want that chicken raw. It's gonna be nasty in there, baby, and chewy and not good for you. So, we've got our chicken pretty much goddamn well done. And it's, you just want to keep the juices in there. You want to keep it moist and delicious. So, chicken is done. We've let it rest. And I went ahead and cut it up into little strips there. Not really slivers and not really shredded. I kind of wanted some big old chunks in my sandwich tonight. And speaking of chunks, we went ahead and cut up these vegetables too. Now, we've got some assorted peppers. And this assorted pepper pack I got down there at the old Wally World. And it was, fairly cheap, and it's a good way to get a bunch of different colors of peppers in there. But my problem wasn't no damn green peppers in there. And I'm all about the green, if you know what I mean. So, we had to get some green peppers too. We chopped them up finely, and of course, a Philly cheesesteak is not a Philly cheesesteak without some onion in there, baby. So we had to get a white onion just for a little texture and flavor. So, we got our pan hot, and I'm not gonna add any oil today. You can, if you want to, get you a little vegetable oil and put it in there and get her hot, but I don't really want to saute so much as I want to soften, and that's why I told you to get the chicken, you know, kind of done, because it's gonna be a mixture, a whole deal going on. See, I'm gonna show you right now. Take your bowl of vegetables that you got here, and we will plop them right down in this old hot pan and let her go. Yeah. Next thing that we'll do is we're gonna let these kind of stir around. You want to turn your pan down, not to low heat, but like medium high, if that makes sense to you. You don't want it scalding, baby, because you're gonna burn the bottom, and it's gonna be nasty as hell. So we've got these peppers in there. We're gonna let them go maybe about 5 minutes or so before we add that chicken. Probably even less than that. And that's enough time for you to have a sip. Oh, good Lord, that's good. Now, we've got our peppers in there. Let's take this big thing of chicken and put that son of a bitch in there too. Drop them in. And let them sit around. Now, we got everything in this pan here, and they're all sauteed together. You don't want to give it too long. Like I say, you don't want to burn the bottom of shit. Just a little bit to let it meld and let it blend and let it do its thing. And then, when it's done doing its thing, and we're done doing our thing, if you know what I mean, we'll come back and we'll assemble this big bad chicken Philly cheese. Boy, you hear me? I think you do. Ooh, that's good stuff. Now, our chicken pepper mixture is done, and it's time to assemble our sandwich. So, first thing we gotta do is get our hoagie roll here, and now you can use any kind of bread that you want. Me, I want to go traditional with this thing. So, let's take our hoagie and we're going to slice it in half with this knife. Make sure you have a good sharp knife or you're going to tear up your buns, and you don't want that shit because it's painful to you, you know. Once we get our bread cut, we will split it in half, and we are going to add some of this chicken and pepper mixture on there, sir. So, once you get a good heaping helping of everything, make sure you have, you know, the equal amount of peppers and chicken in that little scoop that you just did, because you want it to be good, 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 good. And speaking of good, tonight we spare no expense, and that's why I got the mango, of course. Love you. I love that stuff. Now, we have spared no expense, and so we've got the mozzarella. And what that is, you know, standard fresh mozzarella cheese. But I call it the mozzarella because I've been binge watching The Sopranos lately. You know what I'm saying, Uncle Polly? So, we're gonna put this cheese on there. And you know, this ain't no gabagool, but it's gonna be good. So, we put that on there, and you know what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go to the microwave or the oven, and we're gonna melt and toast this. Now, if you're going to the microwave, maybe about a minute. If you're going to the oven, maybe 30 minutes on low. I don't know. You just have to try it for yourself, baby. I can't help you. But I will tell you, it's not hard to do. So, you go ahead and do that, and then we're gonna come back and have a staring contest with this beautiful, big, badass sandwich, baby. And I'll stare at it right now. Ooh. Ooh. Alright, baby, the time has come. The chicken Philly cheese is done. And I'm going to have that first bite for me. So, let's pick this old bad dude up. If we can, we might need a forklift. It's pretty heavy. Whoa. Whoa. You know, damn, that's good. That is real damn good. Because you know that mozzarella, it kind of just blends everything together. You know, I thought about getting some sauce for this thing because I thought, you know, black olive. Might be a little dry if you don't have any sauce with just cheese and things. But that fresh mozzarella, it's kind of like a sauce in itself, baby, and it's just bellissimo. So, I want to thank all of you for watching this episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see you next time. Now, excuse me if you please. This is for me and the little appetizer. Yeah.